Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install NeoForge in Minecraft. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, close the Minecraft launcher, open up your favorite browser, and once done, just type down NeoForge, okay, Minecraft. Hit on enter. Now click on NeoForge right here. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, now select your Minecraft version. And then the NeoForge version right here, just select the latest one. Okay, now go ahead and click on download installer, save it wherever you want. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save it on my desktop, just like so. And here we have NeoForge. Now let's go ahead and download a mod for our NeoForge. Okay, let's say we have here Modrinth and CurseForge. Okay, right here, CurseForge. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and go to the left panel and let's go ahead and filter things out. Okay. Game version. I got 1.21.11, so I'm going to go ahead and select it. And then mod loader right here. Select NeoForge. All right. As you can see here, we now have a ton of mod packs. So let's just go ahead and download maybe just enough items. I'm going to click on download. Okay, and here make sure that under game versions 1.21.11 is selected, or your game version. Okay, you can go ahead and check it out right here. Click on it, click on download file, save it wherever you want. I'm going to go ahead and save it on my desktop. Wait for the download process to finish. And once that's done, double click on NeoForge right here to begin the installation process. Okay, leave it to install client and hit on proceed. Wait for the process to finish. Hit on OK right here. And here we have a text file, just leave it, okay? And here we have our mod pack. So go ahead and open up your Minecraft launcher. And as you can see, NeoForge is now available. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and go to the top, click on installations, NeoForge right here, click on the installation folder or the icon with a folder. Okay, now mods. Double click on mods. If you don't have the mods folder, just right click, new folder, rename as mods. Double click on it and just move the mod pack. Okay, now once that's done, close the folder and just hit on play right here, play, and wait for it to open. There you go. Now in here we have the mod section. You can just go ahead and click on it. As you can see, we now have these installed. NeoForge and just enough items. You're gonna hit on done, open up a world. Okay, play selected world. Now let's go ahead and test the just enough items, or the just enough items mod. Just press E and here we have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.
click Open With and click Java if you didn't have Java before. Just click Install Client.
Now leave it to install client and hit on proceed and just wait for the process to finish. As you can see here, we have a text file from NeoForge. Just don't worry about it. Just leave it as is.